Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Virtual channel. Okay, it's been a while since I've done a video, right? And things work has been catching up, really catching up. So I'm trying to catch up as well on some of the new releases that I want to cover for you guys. If you do have any release that you want me to show you, just let me know in the comment section below, okay? Because I'm seriously trying to catch up. So I do have some Stance Hunters and some Mini Champ that I'll cover for you guys as well, and T.M.E as well. But right in front of you right now, what we have out of the box is the HobbyJapan, the Evo 6 and Evo 5. More of them. So basically, I've already done the unboxing. Usually I do Facebook Live. Okay, I help out at Collector's Cube whenever I can. I will do actually whenever there's any new arrival and I can, then I will do a live unboxing there. And I'm also on Cube's TikTok as well. So do look us up on TikTok and on Facebook. We do have our live session usually on weekdays. Okay, and hit the like button, okay, because that will help me out in the YouTube algorithms. So okay, I just realized I think I'm short of one Evo here. I just realized that. I think I kept it back in because there were so many new arrivals in the past couple of weeks, and I'm just trying to catch up. So here we go. HobbyJapan again, spam on the Evo 5 and Evo 6. But this one, because I'm cleaning up the cabinet actually, so I'm gonna remove a couple of cars, a couple of Evos. So before I put them back in the box, right, I wanted to show you. So this one, the black Evo 6, the stock version, I have already shown you in the previous video. The black T.M.E, I can't recall now. There's so many videos, right? I can't recall if I've actually shown you the black T.M.E. But the recent arrival, right, would be the silver T.M.E. Okay, the silver version. All right, so I do have one here. The main thing that tells it apart, right, would be the sticker. Okay, otherwise actually everything else looks pretty much the same. Okay, so what HobbyJapan does is basically, however many variants there were in real life, they're gonna freaking do everything. So this will be the T.M.E Mechanet edition with the detailed seats, the special edition seats, the T.M.E decal. I think that's the most obvious difference, okay, for the T.M.E version. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. I think that's the thing. This is just really because I seriously need to pack up some of these cars, so I thought I want to show it to you before I pack them up. Alright, so T.M.E, as far as I understand, they do come in the other colors, I think in white, silver, black and blue as well. But the notable one would be that passion red. That would be a special T.M.E version. So if you see an Evo in red, right, in passion red, so that is strictly speaking a T.M.E Mechanet edition. Okay, so that's the best way to tell it apart. Okay, with that stripe. Okay, that would be the T.M.E 6. Yeah, it's more known as the Evo 6.5. Okay, and then since we're talking about Evo 6, I want to cover this as well. Now this one, I never knew it exists until HobbyJapan actually released this. Zero Fighter. Okay, so Evo has this Zero Fighter way before Liberty Walk came out with those Zero Fighter livery. If I'm not mistaken, these actually were special editions from 1999. Basically, it's sprinkled. Well, can I say sprinkled? It has a load of RalliArt parts in it, and that's why it's called Zero Fighter Edition. So, from what I understand, it comes in these two colors, and I've been reading up a little bit just before this video. I think there's a blue version as well. So, actually, overall, right, the shape of the entire thing. Let me see. It's similar. The body shape is similar, but the bumper is different. Okay, with the fog lamp. So Evo 6.5, right, doesn't have that fog lamp in front. Okay, instead they have turned it into the grill for intake, so that more air goes into the engine. Okay, That's the T.M.E version, and then that's the Evo 6, right? When we can compare with that front bumper of the Evo 6, because it does look quite similar. Okay, so it's similar, but maybe not. This plate is actually a separate piece, so obviously the plate is different, but the fog lamp, yeah, it's different as well. So the front bumper is officially different, basically. The fog lamp on the Zero Fighter version is slightly bigger. Okay. Anyhow, for Evo fans, this is still a must-have. So I am a little bit of a fan of Evo. I really like when these were actually flying around in WRC. That was quite a sight to behold. Okay, so this is the white version. Okay, I'm just gonna pop. Having two cars in my hands. Okay, so this one will be the white. Very nice RalliArt sticker, and I think it says Zero Fighter down here. Okay, at the back it has the Zero Fighter sticker here as well. Evo 6 RalliArt plate, Lancer there. Okay, so this will be in white. And then the silver, it's more of a metallic silver. Okay, mine has, okay, I don't know, I don't recall when I remove it from the box, it has this black spots on top. So HobbyJapan is not really, free from QC issues. I think especially in the earlier days of the Honda FD, the FD2, that has a lot of QC issue. I think some of the DC2 as well. So this one, I think it has some paint issue. So it has that very big ass wing at the back. Wing is basically the same with the white Zero Fighter. So I guess it's the body paint, silver with just the body paint is different. The red lining right down there is actually a single piece with the body, so it's not a separate piece, so that is actually done quite nicely. Okay, it's actually done quite nicely, not bad at all. Okay, I do quite like how HobbyJapan is actually pulled off this casting. Very nice casting. Oh, okay. So just notice it's not it's not symmetrical. You have this little inlets here, okay, and nothing here. Okay, right, so that's the Evo 6. I have it resting on this is actually part of the RalliArt pack, accessory pack from T.M.E. They have made these parts quite a few times now. They're all in plastic, but still it feels a premium plastic. I am quite okay with it because in photos, right, it does look quite realistic, even though it's very, very plastic. It feels very plastic, but in photos it works fine, so I'm okay with that. And then the other two that came out would be the customized version, Evo 5. Let me just check the official name for it, right? GSR Evolution 5 CP9A 1998 customized version. So HobbyJapan has the tendency to do this as well, where they'll create a customized version for folks that prefer something different from the stock version. So from the manufacturer, HobbyJapan itself, they will do the customization. The big GT wing at the back. Okay, the big GT wing at the back. The very nice big fog lamps in front. This actually came on stock. So I would say the modification most likely would be the carbon fiber hood. Okay, very nicely done. Very obvious carbon fiber effect. Okay, and the GT wing up there. Okay, I think it's a little bit too big, but it's okay. It has a Mitsubishi logo on the back as well. I'm not really a fan of the choice of wheels actually. It does look like it's sitting a little bit higher than the rest of the Evos. I guess because this is a smaller diameter rim compared to the rest of them. Okay, so this would be the other Evo 5 customized version in white and silver this time around. Okay, very nice big exhaust at the back. All right, so this would be two of the Evo 5s, and this would be, yeah, everyone's favorite, I guess. The I think this was actually a test car, based on the test car, the RalliArt, yeah, WRC version. So I did a shortcut because I want to clean up this diorama, so I haven't done much reading into it. But oh man, look at that. So I only managed to do a little bit of homework on a Zero Fighter, not much on this one, but I'm pretty sure that this is actually based on the on a real car. And I believe, oh yeah, T.M.E, I think T.M.E has already done this, the Evo 5. Okay, I love that rim, that silver rim fits so nicely with the white body, the white color body with the RalliArt colors, white, black, red and orange. Very nice. Okay, here we go at the back. Very nice RalliArt branding all over. I think it's quite worth to collect. I collect these. So I think one clever thing about the die-cast manufacturers now is, you see, this is actually a separate piece, so basically they can reuse the casting without having to invest into a new mold, right, to create a different Evo, when basically overall body, right, is the same. It's just a change of the bumper and that will do it. Nice. Just love that huge fog lamp in front. Okay, all right, so that's it for this time around. Let me know if there's any other cars that you want to see. And yeah, finally I used this diorama for a bit. Been a while, I've not used this diorama. Okay, so again, quick shout out figures. If you're looking for figures, go look up Collector's Cube. Okay, they do have some really awesome ready stock stuff there. Mostly is made locally in Malaysia. What else? If you're looking for cars, I do have extras, and they're all managed through Collector's Cube. So if you're looking for any ready stock stuff, you can always look them up on Facebook. They do have their own website, coldcube.com. I'll put it in the description below. And what else? Do look me up on TikTok and Facebook as well, because that's where I do most of our live unboxing session at the moment. Alright, so that's it for this time around. Remember to hit the like button, remember to hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell so that I don't miss on any of my other diecast videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.